Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Xin Qiao. I'm a irrigation management specialist and associate professor stationed at the Panhandle Research Extension and Education Center.
I am Joseph Obama. I am a grad student currently under Dr. Xin Qiao.
So in the past few years, we've been using this website-based dashboard developed by Joseph for the purpose of monitoring on-farm sensors and also sending you guys a weekly crop water use report and also use it for disease monitoring and other purposes. And it has been very useful, but we've continued receiving a request that why don't you guys make an app? And so this video is about we do have an app developed and ready to be tested. So we'll share some of the what it looks like, what are the features.
Okay, so currently we have the app published on Apple's test flight, but once the app is ready, it will be on the App Store and also the Android Play Store. So it will have a logo looking like that, which is basically an icon of a water drop. So now let me open the app. When you open the app, it will first take you to the welcome page, and then you will be able to, from there you'll be able to go to the login page. So this is the login page. So on the login page, you find normal traditional login, which consists of the username and the password. So the username and the password that you have for your account will be the same that you enter here from the website. But for testing, you can click on sign in as a tester, and that will basically take you to a testing page where you can, have a feel of the application without having to worry about your own details and all that. So when you come, once you're logged in, it will load your farm details and all the fields that you have. So for this testing field, we have for this testing farm, we have 2 test fields. So it will show you the location of the fields, as well as some weather information for each location.
Is that fetched from nearby weather stations automatically?
Yes.
Okay.
So
and it shows this is actually the daily weather from the nearby weather station, right?
yes, it's actually hourly.
Okay.
So
it updates hourly.
yeah, it updates hourly. So based on the location of your field, you find the closest weather station and then get the data from there. Okay, I guess we can talk about this and stuff. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so one thing that you will find on the homepage is the census button for each field. So that button will take you to a different screen where you'll be able to see all the census that has been assigned to that particular field. So and on this page you can also toggle between different fields so that you don't have to go back and forth. So on the bottom left here in the control panel, you'll be able to see, I guess we need probably let me redo this. Okay, so let me start from here. I'll use my account details. Okay.
And we can use my.
Okay.
And then you just say, well, this is what it looks like. And
okay. All right. So once you log into your account, you'll be able to find all the fields that has been assigned to your farm. So for this specific farm, user account, we have quite a few fields that has been assigned to this specific farm. So first of all, for each field, there will be a map showing the location of the field and also the boundaries of the field. Below that, the location of the field and also some weather information, which is fetched from a nearby weather station based on the location of the field.
And every hour.
Yes, that data is updated every hour. And right after that is a button, a sensor button that will take you to a page where you'll be able to see charts of the sensors that have been installed for your field. So let me take.
Let's use this one right here.
So once you click on the sensors button, it will bring you to this page where you'll be able to see charts about the sensor. The data about the sensor. So for this specific instance, we are looking at the triangle area, which is basically the field. So once again, we have the control panel down here where you can toggle between different fields. On the bottom left is the year selection, so what year you want to look at. And on the bottom right is the different sensors that have been installed for this specific field. Under the chart itself, you will also find different buttons depending on the sensor type. There will be different buttons that will be showing you different categories of data for that same specific sensor. So in this instance, we have the soil moisture data being grabbed here, as well as the signal information and battery information for the sensor.
So let me also jump to 2024. In 2024, we have quite a bit of other sensors over there. So if we go to that, this is a soil moisture sensor we installed, and I think, Joseph, you have it currently set as showing the data just last 2 weeks, right?
So it will show the latest
2 weeks data.
1 week data.
1 week data.
Yes.
So in this case, the sensor was actually put off, from it, and just so you know, you're now going to see the whole season data. That will get the chart very crowded. But if that's a feature you think that needs to be added, please let us know. But so we can try another one. This is a weather station over there, and then this one you can see quite a bit more data over there.